children. Today we are going to learn class 4 science lesson number 12, air, water and weather. In that today we are going to see the page number 106, chlorination. Today we are going to learn about the process of the what is mean by chlorination. Germs and bacteria present in a water can also be killed by the chlorination. Now the germs will be there in a water. Then they give the steps there: boiling, sedimentation, filtering. Yes or no? The chlorination also one is the step to kill the germs, to remove the germs. It is a process of adding chlorine tablets to the water. Now they will add the chlorine tablets into the water. Chlorine tablets are easily available at medicine shop. Now chlorine, it is not harmful. Okay, it is not harmful. It will be available in a medicine shop. Medicals, it will be available in a medical. Storing water. Water must be stored in a clean vessels. Yes, you have to store the water in a clean vessels. It must be handled carefully. You have to keep that carefully. We can safely store water by following the given step. You have to store the water clean vessel. It must be handled carefully. We can safely store water by the following the given steps. Keep the water covered. You have to keep the water covered. You have to keep it covered. Wash your hands before taking out water. Whenever you are touching for the water pot, you have to wash your hands, because you will touch here somewhere there. It will be getting little bit germs to your hands, and that germs only it will go into the water. Then it will become dangerous. Last one, use a long handled vessel to take out water from the big container. If you are storing the water in a big container, means what you have to do? You have to use the long vessel to remove that water. Now next, air and weather. We have to see the air and weather. Air is a present all around us. Whatever our air is present around us, it contains many gases. Yes, it will contain the many gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium. Okay, these all the gases it will be there. Our earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. Atmosphere means what? Our earth is surrounded by a layer of air. Around our earth it is a air. Air is there, mix of gases. That is known as a atmosphere. It protects us from the harmful rays of the suns. Whatever from the sun's harmful rays will come, it will protect from that. Now weather is the condition of the atmosphere surrounding us. The sun causes changes in a weather. It will change due to the weather it will change because of sun. We have already read that the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Yes, last class we learned the rotation of the causes day and night, and revolution causes seasons. Okay. The sun causes the wind to blow. The heat of the sun's heat up the air. It will heat up the air. After heating, air becomes a light and raise up the cool air. Whatever after heating, it will go up in a cool air, which is a heavier, take its place. This movement of the air is called as a blowing of a wind. It will you can see blowing of a wind. Sometimes it will carry the mud, leaves of the trees. It will carry and it will go room around the up. It will go rise up. Okay, that is the winds to blow. The sun causes the changes in the states of water. The sun will cause the changes of the states of water. It is the ice by heating. If you kept outside ice, means it will heating, then it will get the water. Again now the water will heat. if you are giving the heat for the water, again it will become a water vapors. Like this way water vapors will be coming. The heat of the sun change water into the water vapors. Water into the water vapors. Whenever you kept for the boiling water, means how it will be air. You can see that air will go up. That is known as a water vapor. The water vapor rises and forms cloud and fall as a rain. Then these water vapors, it will go in the clouds and it will fall as a rain. Also, the solid forms of a water, that is ice, change into the water due to the heating. Now solid forms of water. Solid means what? The ice is a solid. We learned solid, liquid, gases. Then you know that solid is a ice, liquid is a water, and gases means water vapors. It is known as a gases. Hot and cold air. To learn about air currents, we need to know about hot and cold air. You know the hot air means what? You know the cold air means what? Yes or no? Activity 1. You can do this activity. Light a candle and hold in a different position. You have to hold in a different position. Straight, tilted and downwards, you have to bend like a downwards. Observe the flame carefully. You can observe the flame carefully. Do you notice any change in the direction of the flame? You can notice the direction of the flame. It will be observed that the candle flame burns upwards. Always it will burns upwards. If you are holding like this, means also it will burns upwards only. Now next, activity 2. Bring your hand close to the sides of the flame to protect it. You have to protect it. The flames, you have to protect it. Then put your hands just above the flame. You have to put above the flame. Notice the hot air. You can feel the hotness whenever you are burning something is there, means you hold the up hand, means you will feel the hotness. Okay, warmness you will feel. You will observe that the air at the sides is not as hot as the air above the flame. It will be above the flame, it will be very hot, and side it will be not hot. Thus it proves that hot air rises up. All the hot air, it will rise upwards in a direction.